it's springtime and you hear chirping coming from your fireplace, you probably have birds in there. Unfortunately, it's probably a chimney swift. And if it's a chimney swift, that's a federally protected bird. We're not allowed to remove them. How do you keep things like that out of there? With a chimney cap. Outside mount cap is the best one, with a lid that goes 3 inches around on all sides. If you smell feces and urine coming from your fireplace, you probably have a family of raccoons living in there. Best to keep them out of your home. We're a fireplace and chimney company, not an animal removal company. So if you've got animals inside, call a company that removes those animals, then call us out. We'll sweep the chimney, we'll clean off the smoke shelf, we'll do whatever we have to do to remove the remnants of that family of raccoons or those birds that were living inside your chimney. We'll take care of that part, but another company is going to actually do the animal removal.